Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to share a Davinci Resolve project without missing media. This is incredibly useful when you're collaborating with other editors or simply backing up your work to share across different computers while keeping all your footage and assets intact. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, open your Davinci Resolve application on your computer. Once it's loaded up and you're at the main interface, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here you'll want to click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with various project management options. From this menu, click on Project Manager. This is where Davinci Resolve keeps all your projects organized and accessible in one place. Now that you're in the Project Manager, take a moment to locate the specific project you want to share or export. You'll see a list of all your projects displayed here. Once you've found the right one, right-click directly on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, click on Export Project Archive. This feature is specifically designed to package your entire project along with all its media files, ensuring nothing gets left behind when you share it. After clicking Export Project Archive, a dialog box will appear prompting you to name your archive file. Go ahead and input a name that makes sense for your project. Something descriptive will help you identify it later. Once you've entered the name, click Save. This tells Davinci Resolve where to store your archive project file. At this stage, the application is preparing to gather all the necessary components. Next, you'll see another dialog box appear with several checkbox options. Here's where you can customize what gets included in your archive. You can uncheck Render Cache and Proxy Media if you want to reduce the file size. These elements aren't essential for sharing the actual project since they can be regenerated on another system. Unchecking them will make your archive significantly smaller and faster to transfer. Once you've made your selections, click OK. Davinci Resolve will now begin packaging your project. Depending on the size of your project and the amount of media involved, this might take a few moments. The application is bundling everything together, ensuring that all your video clips, audio files, and project settings are included in one convenient archive file. And there you have it. You've successfully created a project archive that includes all your media, which means you can now share the project without missing media. Whether you're sending it to a colleague, moving it to another workstation, or simply creating a backup, everything stays intact and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.